glittering metropolis of Abu Dhabi, capital of the United Arab Emirates and home to the 32nd running of the legendary Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge, round 2 of the W2RC World Championship. 5 long days and nearly 2,000 kilometres lie ahead for the drivers and riders, taking them into some of the most remote desert expanses on the planet. But first, the pre-event checks at Rally HQ in the Adnot Business Centre, and a chance for the competitors to catch up for the first time since the Dakar. Sam Sunderland and Kevin Benavides will miss this year's event because of injury, but all of the usual suspects remain, including America's Skylar Howes, hoping to gain a championship advantage here in Abu Dhabi.
You know, I had some things that I could have done better at Dakar, and so that's my entire goal for this race and the rest of the year, is to improve and try to learn from my experiences and my mistakes and everything, and take those lessons and put them towards the next races. So yeah, I'm just going to be focused on trying to better myself and have some fun.
The bike category is guaranteed to be as close as ever. Honda is back with Quintanilla, Brabec, Corneo and Van Beveren, while Toby Price leads the KTM charge alongside young hotshot Mason Klein. On the Hero machine, Botswana's Ross Branch returns with Sebastian Bühler. In the cars and fresh off the back of a commanding victory at the Dakar, Nasser Al-Attiyah is back once more. After suffering suspension failure just 5 kilometres into stage 1 in 2022, he's hunting his 4th Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge win.
This year it's looked like not easy year for everybody, because I think the route is completely changed. I win 3 times here, and for me my goal to win again.
Sebastian Loeb finished as runner-up to Al-Attiyah on the Dakar, and the Frenchman returns to Abu Dhabi eager to go one better.
For sure the goal would be to have a clean race, a good race, without mistake, without problems, but it's not an easy one, so we'll see. I will try to take the best start as possible.
A great fight is brewing between Al-Attiyah and Loeb, but don't discount Yazid Al-Raji. The Saudi Arabian driver is on top form. The T3 class promises to be one of the closest of this year's rally, with Dakar winner Austin Jones looking to do the double. But he has teammates Seth Quintero and Mitch Guthrie in the Red Bull Off-Road Junior team to worry about. Jones will have his work cut out. The pre-event press conference, as always, provided a great opportunity for everyone to share some valuable insight into what we can expect from this year's rally. A chance for media and rivals alike to hear from our expected front runners. On then to the start podium in the city of Al Dana, and the atmosphere as electric as ever. Everyone eager to get this year's event underway. The action kicked off with the traditional short prologue stage, a full sand affair just 6.7 kilometres to determine the starting order for the first main stage tomorrow. Among our two-wheel competitors, Toby Price was the fastest of the KTM runners. He was 3rd overall. It was Honda which dominated the top 2 positions. Adrian Van Beveren, 2nd fastest through the stage, 3 seconds up on Price. But it was 2018 Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge winner Pablo Quintanilla who took the stage win. The Chilean rider was 2 seconds quicker than Van Beveren, sending a clear message to the rest of the Rally GP field. He means business. A good start for Honda in the bikes then, but in the quads it comes as no surprise at all that 2-times winner and local hero Abdulaziz Ali topped the timesheets today aboard his Yamaha.
I was scared, nervous, It was kind of mixed emotion, happy, nervous, scared, excited. The moment I started, everything went off. I focused on the track. I wanted to push more, but I felt if I push more, I'll take a bit of risk. So I decided to keep it the same. I mean, it's just a prologue to decide who will start first tomorrow. So tomorrow, we do the maximum attack.
In the FIA T1 Plus Cars category, Sebastian Loeb celebrated his 49th birthday in style. He was third fastest through today's prologue stage in his Pro Drive Run BRX Hunter. Loeb was narrowly beaten by fellow Frenchman and BRX teammate Guerlain Chichery. The former professional skier turned rallycross and rally raid star could be a real contender for this year's title. But picking up where he left off just over a month ago on the Dakar, Nasser al-Attiyah once again planted his Toyota Hilux at the top of the timesheets. The Qatari driver a full 4 seconds quicker than Chichery.
It's not really a stage, you know, because it's like the line is really not easy, but okay, it's a prologue, a lot of dust, and but okay, we finish a prologue and we'll see.
In T3, Californian hotshot Seth Quintero was bang on the pace from the word go. It looks like we're set for a week-long battle in the T3 class, as he was only 1 second faster than compatriot Mitch Guthrie. Over in T4, last year's runner-up Rokas Bushiskas went quickest in class today, the Lithuanian clearly favourite for the win. Tomorrow marks the first full stage of this year's Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge, the 405-kilometre run from Al Dana to Casa. Don't miss it.